all of these telethons, the people who are here helping us, running back and forth, organizing everything, getting us these cue cards, company called OnCue. So yesterday,
You're talking about 1 minute. You're talking about just this show. I'm talking about almost every show that I ever do. Award functions from when I was in Miss India. I know OnCue. When I was a 17-year-old petrified little girl, I was told where to go, where to sit, where to stand by OnCue. They are the lifeline of anything.
Why blame them? Oops, sorry.
You know, really, you need to handle me for another...
Another 3 hours. Another 3 hours to go. So I'll be nice to you right now for another 3 hours. All right. So OnCue, yesterday we were talking to them. We were talking to the people who were helping out, setting all of this up. They said, you know something? We're an all-girl company. We are all women. And there you are, two of the people who helped set it all up, Nishita and Raja. Great having you with us.
And Rajo Mirpuri.
Thank you.
Well, for us, I know, you know, these are the unsung heroes who make us what we really are. And the beauty of their company is all the girls you will see running around in this uniform, by the way, at night, everywhere, in the dark, putting out the, you know, the stage, how it looks, when who comes in and makes the show happen flawlessly, are all girls, and it's an all-girl company. It's incredible.
Thank you,
And you
Priyanka.
thought of it 15 years ago. What made you think of it?
What were you thinking?
You know, we didn't really start out thinking of anything. We partnered together, and then slowly it just grew and more girls joined.
And it just happened.
Yeah, and somewhere along the line we realized that we work better as a female team.
So is it a conscious decision not to take boys?
Now it is. When we started out, it was just, we realized along the way that with the girls, the last minute changes, the stress, the thinking on your feet, the uptake was, they'd be calmer. So it would happen faster and
The
effortlessly.
multitasking was better.
But that now, multitasking, you know, we know some
As
people
I-
Not all.
who multitasking
As I'm trying to
means
cough, I'm trying to cough out
messing
here.
up
Excuse
everything
me.
at the same
Well,
time.
we didn't meet
Last
you
minute
15 years
changes
ago.
and stress.
Cannot handle
think I'll walk up
at
the
all.
street.
You can't speak to Vikram on the phone, on the in-ear and have him read a cue. Cannot.
Now,
Just
look,
saying.
after all that she's done to try and blame you for all of her flaws, so now whose side are you going to be on?
No, but really, now that you've been doing this for so long, do you see this as, is it something that's become a conscious decision now that you don't,
Now
you
it
want?
is a 100% conscious decision since
It's worked
Since
so
a
well
long
for
time,
us
yeah.
that we've just decided this is the way we want to run the company. We find that, you know, working with a team of girls, the teamwork gets much better. Very similar to your NDTV crew, I think.
There are some of us men there.
uh,
There are some
some-
of us men there.
some.
And as you were saying that,
Debatable.
I've heard screaming in my ear from my all-girl crew in there, which is saying, you can say that again. But there are men around. Look at all these
All-girl
camera people.
crew at
See,
NDTV.
male, but few.
No, but
few and far
we
between.
found the teamwork works better. You know, we're more meticulous. The notes are better written. The information is shared better. So
मैं
it
तेरा
works
15
with
मिनट बाद आ
this.
जाता हूँ. So like, I'll go
This
out.
is not a male bashing thing, but we just find it works for us.
No, it definitely works for a lot of people, but clearly NDTV as well. But no, it's so great that you guys do this. And tell me something, how do these girls join you? How do you find them? How do you recruit girls?
most of the time our best recruits are word of mouth. Somebody's friend, somebody told us about somebody. In the earlier days, that was the only way it was. Then, of course, the event institutes came along, so we contact them, we interview them. In our case, interviews are just a formality till they don't actually get
Yeah.
on the show and perform.
That's true.
It doesn't work. So then,
Yeah.
if they
It's
work
a lot
out,
of-
they stick around.
Trial and experiment as well, but we've just been really super lucky with just the best team ever.
we have
Yeah, you
been
do
very
have the
lucky.
best team ever. I can vouch for that. Team
So
on
can I.
you.
So can I vouch for that. So
Thank
there
you,
you are.
thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us. And
And we want to make a donation. Actually, this idea has come from the team. They were on the rehearsals yesterday.
while we were
and
rehearsing
they said,
yesterday, they said, but we want to do it individually. They were
Yes,
coming up to us
they
and saying,
were
excuse
doing
me,
it.
can I do something? Then I said, fine. And then all of them said, we all want to do something.
So it's a team initiative. Everyone's put in a little bit of something together, and we're
We've come up
contributing.
with 10 girls.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Thank you for having us.
Wonderful
Thank
and
you.
all the best. And thank
Thanks
you
so
for all.
much.
Okay, now just
Okay,
figure
we've
of
reached-
girls after your 10 is 9:49.